Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials right. Update WhatsApp and give it contacts and background data permission so names show up. Next, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and correct time. This prevents status mismatches. Now save the people you want to find, including country codes, and force a contact sync. Once done, open WhatsApp and pull to refresh the chats list so the app reindexes contacts immediately. This starts the process of seeing who's actually online. Now you actively look for signals. Use the search box to open each contact's chat. There you can see last seen or online when visible. This is how you confirm someone is online. Also check groups and status views. If a person recently posted or responded in a group, that's another indicator. Broadcast lists and replies give clues without direct messaging. Keep in mind privacy settings like last seen and read receipts change what you see, so interpret results with that context. Finish by confirming presence. Send a short, polite message and watch for the single and double ticks and the read receipt. This tells you if they received or opened it. To keep track, pin important chats, enable notifications, and star messages you'll follow up on. If things go wrong, if nobody appears online or last seen is missing, check your own privacy settings, update WhatsApp, and reconnect to a stable network. Often fixing permissions or time settings resolves visibility problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.